Good evening, and today we will test Laravel code with PHP Code Sniffer on Ubuntu Linux. Let's go. Firstly, we go to a directory where we have called Laravel application we will test, and then we run a command composer require then squizlabs /php_code sniffer. This command will install the PHP Code Sniffer with all required dependencies. Once we have installed PHP Code Sniffer, you could run vendor/bin/phpcs -v up. This command will execute a Code Sniffer analysis, which will produce output, which errors and syntaxes problems your Laravel application has. You could also run vendor/bin/phpcs -help to get a list of available options. How could you execute PHP Code Sniffer in your Laravel application code analysis. Once PHP Code Sniffer completes its running, you could also execute PHP Code Fix command, which will fix your code base automatically. You could also execute Laravel Pint command, which also fixes errors. We will add all commands we have used in the video description below. If you have any questions, you could also comment and ask if you need some help or some suggestions which tools could help you to analyze your code base automatically and improve your style of coding and the quality of your code base. That's it for today. It's enough for you. Please comment, like and share this video. Also subscribe to our channel and come back soon to view more PHP tutorials here on this channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.